Here we have a complete Monogram Racing 36 Ford Coupe kit. The chassis has been assembled and tested. The parts for the body have been inventoried against the instruction manual sheet, and they're all there. So we're going to put it up on eBay. Let's test this vintage Monogram chassis. We're set for digital right now. Let's go to analog. Plug in our favorite commercial Ruddick controller. We're set for 12 volts. Let's go. Time for a quick test drive of our 36 Ford Coupe chassis by Monogram. I think it runs nicely.